Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your PC more beautiful whether you are using Windows 10 or 11. So here, this is a quick and easy 2025 guide to making your PC aesthetic, clean and modern. And don't worry, all those I show today are free to download. So the first step, wallpapers and theme. You can use Lively wallpaper from Microsoft Store. Here, let's find it on the Microsoft Store and search for animated wallpapers. For example, let's just find Lively wallpaper in here. You can install this app first, and then after that you can choose the animated wallpapers that you want. And then if you want to have HD or 4K wallpapers, you can also go to this page called wallheaven.cc. Okay, let's go to this page in here, and you can just choose which one that you like the most. For example, I'm going to use this one. So you can just download this image right here, and then you can make it as your wallpaper. So you can just open it and then set it as the desktop background. And let's preview the result. Okay, as you guys can see, the image is Edge on HD. And here, if you want a live animated wallpaper, you can get it on the Lively wallpaper. So it's still installing. And next, custom icons and cursor. You can use Icons 8 or Divine Art icon packs for stylish icon sets, or you can also use cursor effects the free versions or Divine Art cursor packs. So let's search for the Icon 8. So you can just search for the icons that you want in here and get the icons for your Windows and apply it. And next one, the taskbar and start menu settings. So you can install taskbar X if you want to have transparent taskbar or animations. You can also use Start 11 or OpenShell for custom start menu styles. And for widgets and Rainmaker, you can download Rainmaker, the free desktop widgets tool. And you can also use honeycomb or minimalist Rainmaker skins. And if you want to, you can also switch between dark mode or light mode, and use accent color matching. So you can go to the settings and in here find personalization and colors. Here use the accent color matching. So that's how you can make your Windows 10 or 11 PC beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.